I think it's really important that we commit to personal growth. It's a commitment, a journey that shapes your future and enhances your life. It's about dedicating yourself to continuous learning, self-improvement, and pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. And like everything else, personal growth requires perseverance. But you also need to do some self-reflection and be willing to embrace change. You see, when you stay committed, you set meaningful goals, you take consistent action. You celebrate every step forward. This commitment, this dedication transforms challenges into opportunities and setbacks into lessons. So look, make personal growth a priority, man. Invest time and energy into developing your skills, expanding your horizons, and pursuing your passions. Your commitment to growth will lead to a more fulfilling and successful and empowered life. So stay dedicated and watch how your efforts unfold into incredible achievements and lasting change. Keep on pushing.